Welcome to Salterfell. Welcome to Salterfell. Gets a bit rocky here. A little switchback. Pick a line down here. Probably the worst one. Yes. It's like proper loose and rocky. The bike just wants to go wherever it wants to go. With a lot of weight pushing her. We've got a big rock there. And it happens. We knew it would. Give me a minute. Come on. Right, let's try again. Hopefully it'll come off again. I've managed to damage the engine casing a bit, but whatever. I can definitely see why people say lighter bikes for this, because this stuff doesn't look loose, but it is. Well, you see me, I'll come off. Like, it just pushes you to the one side here, look. See? Come on. Let's try and go this side. We're gonna do this. That was a pain. Whoop, see what I mean? Big rocks right in the middle. Look at this. Oh, look at it. Right, drone time. Himalayan. Right, it seems that we need to go and get some liquid metal, because if you look under there, little crack there, look. So I need to repair that. I'm going to go to Helford's and get some liquid metal and just smear it on. Hopefully it'll do the trick. Then order a new cover. I wonder if you can get something to protect that more. I'll look into that. Alright, let's go. Now, they didn't have any of that JB Weld because they've got a new lineup apparently. So I'm hoping that this will have to do till I get home. Exhaust assembly paste, which is crap, but use what you got, eh? Just as long as it holds it till I get home, that's all that matters. I think I found a campsite down here. Just going to go and knock on and ask. Right, we're going to be stopping here, the Punch Bowl Hotel. I've been searching around for ages trying to find a place. Just walked in and paid, as you do. Excellent. A good old Stella tent. You've seen me set this one up, so I'll just do a little montage of it. Just clip all our little clips on. That's it, done. Obviously got to peg it out and put the rainfly on, but that's what I love about these little tents. So quick to throw up. And that will do. Nice and simple camp setup tonight. Got our table. Probably got about an hour and a half left of daylight. Been searching around for a campsite for ages. Everywhere I went, they were like, oh no, we only have statics or caravans on here, mate. It's almost like they've got something against bikers, you know. One table. Got that there. Then we've got that chair on the other pannier. It's a good setup. Said it in the last video. Pretty quick to put up, you know. I did bring the One Tiger as tarp. I was going to use it if it was going to rain, but it's not raining. I'm going to do a few videos of just tarp camping. That'll be cool. More food, baby wipes essential, rubbish bag, and of course, 2 more beers and a bit more water. Pillow, the trusty Silky. Brilliant bit of kit. They're not cheap, but they're good. Sleeping mat, cooking utensils, clothes, lightage, and some gas. Right next to train tracks, come on. Why, Wiley. Campsite set up, happy days. That was an eventful day, wasn't it? Damn, let me crack this beer open. Then we'll cook food. It's gonna be an early one for me tonight. It is indeed. Oh, much needed. It's one of those days. We have got carbonara tonight. It's got bacon in, parmesan, garlic, obviously pasta. And that's about it really. Nice and simple, using the Trangia. Great camp food, especially when you've been out on the bike all day. Can't believe I come off that bike earlier. Could have been a lot worse. That exhaust putty or whatever it is, it's actually done the job. I was worried about that. I was after JB Weld, but Halfords didn't have it in stock. When I get home, I'll order a new engine cover. I might just get the 2, to be fair. In fact, it's a good excuse to get the billet ones. But where the crash guard is, I'm sure you can buy like aluminium inserts, so it's solid there. Just like it covers the whole thing. Got the old Trangia on the plate. Just going to use the gas burner today because it's easy. There we go. Right then, we're going to need some bacon. Nice new opener knife. A little bit of oil. Don't need a lot. I'm just going to fry this bacon off a bit. Let that do its thing. We need to get some garlic cloves. The size of these garlic cloves are massive. In fact, I think 1 garlic clove's plenty for that. Get this bacon a little bit crispy. Cut our garlic up. Add our garlic to the bacon. While that's cooking away, in our bowl, chuck in our little bits of pasta. Did the egg survive? That's the question. Brought this duck egg, and when I had that off earlier on, I thought, I better broke it. And she's still alive. That's a whole litre of water. Just leave that sat to one side for a little bit. Now bring our water to the boil. Starting to get a boil on now. Having a few beers. I can chill out a little bit. Not every single ride and camp goes to plan. It's one of those days today where it's gone to pot. It is what it is. But I'd rather show you the rough and the smooth, you know. Be very real about it. This is not Parmesan, but the woman in the shop said it's the equivalent. So I'm going to try this. Just take a chunk off and grate that. How'd you like my miniature grater? Ha! Got to keep a little bit of water but drain the rest. Yeah, there's still enough water in the bottom of there. What we want to do is grate our Parmesan into here. My miniature grater does the job. Now I'm probably going to mess this up, but I just need the egg yolk. This is going to be messy. No, don't lose the yolk. We just want the yolk. Everything else can go. We need the yolk. And then it goes into the pan. So we've got the egg, the Parmesan, and the pasta. What we need now is our bacon and garlic to go in there as well. Put this back on the heat. Nice low heat for this though. And just keep stirring it. A little bit of water in the bottom should make it like a sauce. And there we have it. A bit of a carbonara. That'll do nicely for dinner. So we've got our food, which is quite a bit really, but fine. And we've got our beer. Happy days. Starting to go dark now, so I'm feeling really tired. I think I'm going to hit the sack tonight. I'm going to get in the tent, I'm going to watch a movie and hit tomorrow with a fresh day. I'll catch you in the morning, guys. It's been great. Well, good morning. I slept pretty well, to be fair. The mattress has gone down a little bit. Not that bad. I feel better now after that sleep. I'm suffering with a bit of hay fever, but whatever. Right, time to get up. This is Goat Herd Coffee. MDM Outdoor Adventures. He helped create this one from a little company that he does work with. I've got to say, it's really, really nice. It's good. The little pods as well, which is cool. So they're easy to carry and you get proper coffee in the morning. We'll get one of these on the brew. And your little pods go straight on your cup. And you pull off this little tab. It's probably difficult with one hand, but I'll try. There we go. And then you just pour your water in and you get fresh coffee. And there we have it. Happy days. Nice fresh coffee. Wang that into the bin. Well done, Mark. It's a good blend, mate, that. Anybody who's interested in those coffee pods, head over to Mark's channel, MDM Outdoor Adventures, and you'll see all the links to it on his channel. I'm going to get packed away, and then we're going to go and meet Jay and have some breakfast. Let's do that. Jay. You alright?
Yeah.
All good? All good? Welcome to Winnets Pass. Sheepies. What's this place called? What's it called? There we go. Try this little trail out, see what it's like. That definitely looks like a bike's hit it. Oh, it gets a bit rocky down here, pal. And it happens. We knew it would.